students. I am Miss Amruta Nandal, working as a lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. First of all, I welcome you all in 5th semester of Diploma. In this semester, I am going to teach you a subject Mobile and Wireless Communication, that is MWC, and the course code for this subject is 22533. In this video lecture, we are going to see overview of this course. Teaching scheme. For this course, we have total 4 hours of theory lectures per week and 4 hours of practicals for each batch. There are no tutorials for this subject, so total credit is 8 hours per week. Next is a examination scheme. Examination scheme is consist of two parts, theory and practical. Theory part consists of end semester exam and progressive assessment. End semester exam consists of your theory board exam of 70 marks and progressive assessment means your class test marks plus micro project of 30 marks. Total is 100 marks of theory exam. Next is a practical. Practical end semester exam consists of your external practical exam of 50 marks and your lab manual marks of 50. Total is 100 marks. So, this subject carries total 200 marks. Keep in mind that you have external practical exam for this subject. Next is a course outcomes. Course outcome means COs. For this course, we have 5 units and each unit have one course outcome. First CO is for first unit, troubleshoot mobile handset. After completing first unit, you are able to troubleshoot mobile handset and able to identify different sections of mobile handset. Next is a second CO for second unit. After completing second unit, you are able to find out cellular system capacity. Next is a third CO for third unit. Assess performance of standard of different cellular mobile system. After completing this third unit, you are able to know different standards of cellular mobile system like GSM, CDMA, IS-95 and SS7 and their performance. Next is a fourth CO for fourth unit. Select relevant wireless technology suitable cellular mobile system. After completing fourth unit, you are able to know advanced wireless standards like UMTS, LTE, OLT, etc. Next is a fifth CO for fifth unit. Test the performance of various wireless protocols. After completing this fifth unit, you are able to test performance of various wireless protocols like LAN, MAN and WAN. This is about course outcome. Next is a list of unit and their weightage. We have 5 units. First unit is wireless communication system and the weightage for this unit is 12 marks and 12 marks are distributed like 4 marks for remember, 4 marks for understand, 4 marks for apply. Second unit is fundamental of cellular system having weightage of 12 marks. The distribution for marks is like 4 marks for remember, 4 marks for understand and 4 marks for apply. Third unit is digital cellular mobile standards which having weightage of 16 marks. The distribution is like 4 marks for remember, 6 marks for understand, 6 marks for apply. Fourth unit is advanced wireless standards which having weightage of 18 marks are distributed like 4 marks for remember, 4 marks for understand and 10 marks for apply. Last unit is wireless network technologies, which having weightage of 12 marks. The distribution is like 2 marks for remember, 4 marks for understand and 6 marks for apply. Total is a 70 marks. Next is a practical list. There are total 28 practicals for this subject in your lab manual. The first practical is identify different sections and components of mobile phone. Here you have to identify different sections of your mobile phone. Second one is identify the inbuilt sensor of mobile handset and test their performance. This practical is performed on your mobile itself. Third one is a perform cold test of different sections of mobile phone unit. Fourth one is test the supply of transmitter and receiver section of mobile phone unit. Fifth one is test the battery charger section and power management unit of mobile phone unit. Sixth one is test the LCD and SIM section of mobile phone unit. Seventh one is test the user interface section like keyboard, buzzer, vibrator, LED, mic and speaker of mobile phone unit. Eighth one is troubleshoot the battery charger section, LCD section and SIM section of the mobile phone unit. Ninth one is troubleshoot the user interface section of the mobile phone unit. From practical number 1 to 9 are performed on mobile trainer kit, which consists of all these sections, and we have to test, identify and troubleshoot these sections. Next one is 10th practical. Determine the coverage area of split cell which has radius half the radius of original cell. Next is 11th practical. Determine the channel capacity of cellular system service area comprised of 7412 macrocell with 81216 channel per macrocell. In this practical you have to determine channel capacity of cellular system. 12th one is effect of cell splitting on channel capacity. 13th one is fixed assignment of voice channel. 14th one is to assign voice channel in cell sectoring. For practical number 10 to 14, we are using Skylab software. 15th practical is perform installation, registration, activation and authentication of mobile application on mobile handset. For this practical, we are going to use your mobile phone. 16th one is read and retrieve the content of SIM card using relevant software. 17th one is execute call control commands using relevant software. 18th one is execute network service commands using relevant software. 19th one is execute security commands using relevant software. 20th one is execute phone book commands using relevant software. 21 is execute short message commands using relevant software. 22nd is execute data commands using relevant software. 23rd is execute specific AT commands using relevant software. 24th is execute AT commands call control in 3G and 4G network. 25th is execute AT commands for video call and phone camera related commands in 3G and 4G network. 26th is execute AT commands for microphone and loudspeaker volume control related commands in 3G and 4G network. For practical number 15 to 26, we are going to use GSM trainer kit. To execute AT commands, we are going to use hyperterminal software. 27th one practical is build a personal area network of mobile devices using Bluetooth. 28th, that is last practical, is test the hard reset function, hotspot and other networking functions of the given smartphone. For these two practical, we are going to use your mobile phone itself. This is all about the practical list. Next is a topics for micro project. Micro project is very important part in your curriculum because here you get a chance to apply your knowledge. Some topics are listed here by MSBTE. The first one is compare the specifications of different types of mobile phone available in market. In this project, you have to do market survey and collect the details. Also, have to prepare a report. Next is collect the information regarding the special services provided by various mobile service providers in your area. For this project, you have to collect information regarding service providers and their services and also have to prepare a report. Next is prepare a report on trial regulation related to mobile communication. For this project, you have to prepare report on trial regulation means Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, which gives some guidelines for communication standards. Next is a prepare a report on FCC regulations for spectrum allocation for mobile communication. For this project, you have to prepare a report on FCC regulation means Federal Communication Commission, which have some acts for spectrum allocation for mobile communication. Next is a prepare a report on how radiations from BTS and handset affect human beings. Next is a market survey on various wireless devices available in the market. For this project, you have to do market survey for new wireless devices and have to prepare a report on it. Next is a prepare short report on Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi technology means light fidelity technology. For this project, you have to prepare a report for it. Next is a collect detailed information on various wireless technology based on IEEE standards. You have to collect the information for IEEE standards. This is all about the micro project topics. These are some sample, but you have to collect some more projects like this. Next is a learning resources. Here some title of books and author are given. The first one is Wireless Communication Principles and Practice by Rappaport and S. Theodore, and next book is Wireless Communication by Single TL. You can use any one of from this. Next is a website. Here some websites are given. You can go through it for your micro project information and subject information. Thank you.